So that's first and foremost. You want to invite Christ in as your personal Lord and Savior, and you want to get to know him. What? Oh, to know him. What? My wig did not just come off in this video. Why? Guys, so this is her. This is the headband wig that I purchased from my local beauty supply store. This is the curl pattern, and she's about 12 inches or something like that, maybe 12, 15. This is the headband that comes with the wig, okay? And I'm showing you guys that there's absolutely no combs, guys, no combs in this wig. This is the Carmen Free and Easy Collection synthetic wig, and the number 2. It has great body, great movement, but it's a negative, guys. But let me show you guys how I, put this wig on. I just was lazy. This is my lazy application. I left my hair the way it was the day before and got me some nice gel and slicked back my edges, okay? And I went off camera a little bit and I just tidied them up just a little bit. I had to make them a little bit extra because, I'm extra. So get you a scarf and tie your edges down for about 30 minutes. I kept my scarf on for about 30 minutes. You can leave it on longer or shorter, it doesn't matter, it's up to you. So now we're ready, and you should have edges that look like you worked so hard on, yet you worked less than 5 minutes on, okay? But don't worry about the back. We're not concerned about the back. Don't look back there, okay? As long as the front is popping, that's all that matters. So go ahead and put her on. All right, so I really wanted to like her. I paid $29.99 for this wig. I feel like it was a waste of money, honestly. As you can see, yeah, you just want to push your wig back a little bit to expose your edges. All right, and it does give the illusion that you really worked hard on your hair, and I love that. But the fact that there's no combs in this wig, I have to pass. So just keep that in mind if you guys are interested. I'll put the details again in the description box. So this wig came off 3 times, guys. I only showed you one, but it gave me more problems than anything. So I just, ran my fingers through it a little bit to kind of like break up the curls, make it look a little bit more natural, And yeah, so if you guys don't buy the wig combs to sew into it or secure down with bobby pins, this bad boy will run away from you. Okay, so just make sure you figure out a way to secure her down. Otherwise, do what all the other influencers do. Go on Amazon, purchase your headband wig. So I bought these lovely scarves. I don't know if I should go to the left or the right. All right, let me just go with this one right here. And if you don't like the headband that comes with the wig, get you a nice scarf, cover it up. I absolutely love this trick, that I saw from the other influencers. Cover the headband up, with your wig, with your scarf of choice, and instantly you have a nice sophisticated hairstyle that literally took you no time. So that's why I actually love this trend. I just need to find a different headband wig, okay? So that's really it, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, as always, thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Enjoy your life, try to be happy. Come on with me, baby. Oh, never ever leave without me. Oh, baby, now let me warm you up.